What's up guys, it's your boy Anthony here, back at it again with another unboxing and review. Today I've got something that's gonna make you go wow! The Octagonal Enamel Diamond Watch from Pascal. Before we jump in, just a heads up, they sent me this watch to unbox for you all, so this video is sponsored. But don't worry, I'll keep it real and honest, no cap. Let's dive right in. First off, let's give a shout out to Pascal. They're all about redefining luxury without making your wallet cry. Their diamonds are lab grown, so no planet was harmed in the making of this bling. They focus on quality without the inflated price tags, so you can shine without breaking the bank. Alright, let's get on to the good stuff. Whoa, check this out. The Woodland Evening color is giving me major vibes. This watch is an absolute showstopper, with that octagonal case and that gold finish. Talk about flexing on a budget. Look at that wood grain dial. It's like nature and elegance had a baby. And this is it. The enamel bezel with Roman numerals, chef's kiss. Alright, let's break down the deets. This bad boy has white lab grown diamonds with the clarity that's as clear as my morning coffee. We're talking about VVS to VS clarity, which basically means it's super sparkly. And the carat weight, just 0.03 carats. But trust me, it packs a punch. It's got a 27mm steel case, which means it's a perfect fit for those who want something that doesn't scream, I'm compensated for something. And get this, it's water resistant up to 30 meters. So if you accidentally splash a drink on it while trying to impress someone, don't sweat it. Now let's talk price. This stunning timepiece comes in at $215 USD. For the quality and design, that's a solid deal. Now let's talk styling. This watch is like that one friend who looks good in anything. Whether you're rocking a suit for that wedding or keeping it casual with a tee and jeans, this watch will elevate your fit. It's all about that versatility, baby. So who's this watch for? If you're a dude aged 24 to 35 and you want something that says I got my life together without being too extra, this watch is for you. Pascal is all about the shiny moments in life, and this watch is like a cherry on top of your style sundae. And now for my rating. I give this watch a solid 9 out of 10. If you want to grab one for yourself, I'll drop a link in the description below so you can join the Bling Squad. Use the discount code Anthony20 for 20% off your purchase. Links will be in the description below, so don't sleep on this. That's it for today's unboxing. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more unboxings, and let me know in the comments what you think about this watch. Until next time, it's your boy Anthony, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!